To change focus indicator color in screen reader Samsung Galaxy S10, open settings. Swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. And then tap settings. Scroll down. Tap accessibility. Tap screen reader. Tap settings. Tap focus indicator. Select color you want: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, or gray. For example, low.
Voice assistant on. Screen reader. Voice assistant on. Switch in list 5 items.
The color
Double tap
is
to activate.
red.
Voice assistant on. Alert tapping OK. OK. Voice assistant off. Voice assistant on. Screen. Voice assistant on. Switch in list 5 items. Voice assistant. Alert tapping OK will. OK button. Voice assistant off.
Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.